Hi everyone, welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today, I'll walk you through how to write an H-1B visa application letter. This letter is a crucial document that supports your petition by highlighting your qualifications, job role, and the necessity of your employment in the U.S. You will begin your letter by including your personal details, such as your name, address, email, phone number, and the date of writing. Next, you will address the letter to the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services, specifying their official address. Below that, you will include the subject line, clearly stating that the letter pertains to the H-1B visa application for the beneficiary. Finally, you will start the letter with a formal salutation, addressing it to Dear Sir Madam. After that, write, I am writing to submit the H-1B visa petition for beneficiary's name, whom we wish to employ as a job title at company name. Beneficiary's name possesses exceptional qualifications, including mention relevant qualifications or experience, making them a valuable addition to our team. Their expertise in specific skills or field aligns perfectly with our company's requirements, and we are confident they will contribute significantly to our operations. Enclosed with this letter are all necessary documents, including Form I-129, the beneficiary's educational credentials, and other supporting materials. We kindly request prompt processing of this petition and appreciate your consideration. Should you require any further information, please feel free to contact me at your contact information. Sincerely, your name, your job title, company name. Here's our sample H-1B visa application letter. You'll notice how it clearly outlines your job role, qualifications, and the necessity of your employment in the U.S. The letter highlights key details such as your expertise, job responsibilities, and how your skills align with the visa requirements. By following this format step by step, you can craft a clear and professional application letter that strengthens your case for approval. This letter helps authorities understand your eligibility and the significance of your employment for the sponsoring company. And with that, I end this video. If you found it helpful, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on writing visa application letters.